Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Cindy Satya Desti. In this video, I will presentation about my proposal, and the title is Improving Students' Vocabulary Mastery Through Mapping Word Technique at 10th grade of Senior High School Number 1 Baradatu, Waikanan, 2020-2021.
The first is background of study. In this modern era, people demand to have more than one language. Language as a tool communication plays an important role in our daily activities. Without communication, we will be left behind. Communication in foreign language is a drive to get information, knowledge, and culture. Indonesia, as a developing country, has realized that English as an international language is needed to be mastered by Indonesian people. By implementing the mapping word technique in teaching, the learners might improve their knowledge of English vocabulary. Next, it will raise their self-confidence for expressing themselves in language. Especially in practice, students can share their knowledge and experience with others, including respectful listening and appropriate sharing of personal perspectives. Next, identification of the problem. Is the implementation of mapping word technique effective for developing students' vocabulary? How this word students' vocabulary effectively tackle the lackness of students' vocabulary? Significance of coding. For students are able to appreciate their skill in writing indirectly. Students will be more attracted to learning English without under pressure feeling ABCD first. For the teacher can motivate to encourage their vocabulary through some models of the mapping. Teaching vocabulary by using mapping word technique is attractive and variously so it is able to improve student interest. For the institution mapping word can help students in general develop their English capacity. So the institution gets the achievement and prestige among the education institutions. For the public, the readers in general, the implementation of mapping words for improving students' ability in enforcing their vocabulary help in develop another factor in teaching learning English ability. The definition of vocabulary. Jadi Suleman, Improving Vocabulary, 1990, states that vocabulary is one of language components. It supports the teaching and learning of the core language skills of reading, listening, speaking, and writing. The ways of teaching vocabulary: repeating or relate articles and awareness. The definition of mapping word technique. Mapping word technique is one activity to increase student vocabulary in English. It often teaches to be one of the most effective ways of integrating language skill in the language classroom. Miss Bella, 1994, 217 state that word vocabulary and simulation work, on the other hand, usually requires the learners to take part in communication, which involve personal experience and emotion. The effectiveness of the mapping word technique according to the expert. According to Ronald Charter in Vocabulary and Language Teaching, 1988, Kellogg states the list contains a word from the target language, either a synonym in the target language or a translation in mother tongue. The dash can be accompanied by a picture or some means of graphic or other mnemonic presentation. Next, the pace of mapping words in teaching vocabulary. The suggest three phrase sequence for staging mapping word technique in teaching. They are: first phrase, The informational input can either be in the form of memorizing to read or perhaps it could be listening based. Second phase, the information that other learners have similar with respect to some of the measures above and very different in other cases. The third phase, the feedback phase, has to be handled carefully so as not to become a negative account of when learned. Research methodology. Methodology of the research Sukamat 1989-29 states that experimental research is the method of the research which explains the data for predicting the events in the future. Surya Brata 2003 58 states that experimental design is the possibility of causal effects by giving treatment to one more experimental groups within it on or more condition of treatment trying compare the result of the sample. Population and sample. Population. According to Haji Muhammad Ali 1992 5, if the sample really represents a population, what is known about the sample is our knowledge its population. The implication is if the research which use really represent a population, so don't generally to the population. Sample. The sample to be investigated is taken randomly. The number of sample is 40 students and the experimental or as an experimental group. In this case, research chooses 40 students as the control group as the compared to the sample. Place and time. Data collection. Observation or study is an activity to do measuring by using some instruments or question to get the data. Test. The reader observes variables and collects the data by using tests as the main instrument. Questionnaires. The questionnaires are one of the research instruments. Data analysis producers. Based on the research methods that will be carried out in experimental research methodology, so the reader will analyze the data by using the formula that explained by Suharsini Arkunto as follows, where T test score, M mean of each group, N number of subjects, X deviation of X1 and X2, Y deviation of Y1 and Y2.